Today I'll be showing you how you can easily create your own video, right, using an AI tool called Pika.art. And it's very easy. I'll be showing you how you can create a simple video like this. And you might be asking, what do I need something like this for? This is very important for, let's say, filmmakers, content creators, or someone that just want to play with an AI tool for generating video, because as we all know, video is king when it comes to content. And so you want to be at the forefront when it comes to something like this. So the tool again is called Pika.art. You can see it here, right? So that's what we'll be learning today. And it's very easy to do that. And it's all about imputing the right kind of prompt, and the tool will take care of everything for you. You don't have to do anything. And for people that are interested in starting up a YouTube channel that has to be faceless, don't want to show their faces and the rest, right? This is a very good tool for you, right? You can create a video as long as you want with extending the video and putting in more prompt and the rest. And they have new feature now that you can even lip sync. You can input your own audio, and your generated video can say what your audio is about, right? And to look like the person that you've created, or should I say the video you've generated is the one that is saying everything that you've uploaded through your audio, or maybe through a script. So not to waste your time, let's just jump into creating something with this particular tool. So I have some sample of prompts I've created here and taking inspiration from the ones that are here. So let's start with this particular one. You can see, right, this prompt says cinematic shot, right, extreme close-up, dolly shot, right, on a stylish Japanese girl with dreads standing on a pink desert. So here we just changed it a little bit. We said cinematic shot, extreme close-up dolly shot on a stylish Nigerian girl with dress standing on a purple instead of pink, purple desert. Okay, all right, so let's see what the tool can do. And another thing you need to understand is that the tool is not yet perfect. No tool right now, all of these AI generation tools, right, no tool as of the moment is perfect. So but gradually they are getting to the place where we can say they are perfect. Let me go to my library where you see everything I've been able to use this tool to generate for our own content, right? So you can see we have a lot of things we've generated using this tool. All right, so for you to create your own video, you have to, once you come to this particular software, first you have to register, and they have free trial, and they have free, I think they have free plan that you can use without paying monthly subscription fee. And I will go through the plan later, but let's just jump into the creation. So all you have to do is to come down to this part. Here is where you describe the scene you want to create. And another thing you need to understand is that this particular tool will generate only 3 seconds of your scene, and so once it generates that, you can keep extending it with more prompt and the rest. I will show you how to do that. So let's start with this particular prompt. So I'm going to impute this prompt here. It says cinematic shot, extreme close-up dolly shot on a stylish Nigerian girl with dress standing on a purple desert. So let me delete this. So this is where you put your prompt. Like I said, once you put your prompt and you're satisfied, and another thing is that this particular tool works best with short prompt, and you have to really describe what you want, describe it properly with your short prompt. And if you don't know how to write prompt yourself, short prompts like this, you can use ChatGPT. But for now, let's just play around with this prompt. So I'm going to click here for us to start generating this. Another thing you have to understand, I'm using the standard plan, right? And per generation, I think is around 10 credits. So it's going to start generating this. As we are generating this particular one now, let's just go on with generating other scenes so we don't I don't waste your time here. So I'm going to impute this now, and then remember here, this particular prompt says cinematic. Now, this is the description, and you can see this first one that I am generating right now. It says cinematic shot, comma, then you put what you want, and then you can add more description for what that particular thing you want. So cinematic, it will give you like a cinematic kind of image, and then a panda wearing sunglasses. So after I'm done describing this, there's another comma there. I said 3D animation. So now this particular tool, it will generate a video for me of a panda wearing sunglasses, right? And then it's going to be a cinematic kind of video and a 3D animation kind of video, right? So I'm going to, you can see our first prompt has been generated, and you can see, right, like I said, it's not always perfect, but as you keep retrying the prompts, reformatting your prompt, you'll surely get a perfect image. So let's just assume that this is what we want, but we said the Nigerian lady. I don't think this is a Nigerian lady. This is too ugly to be a Nigerian lady, but let's just assume this Nigerian lady, right? And then we said standing on the purple desert. This is not a purple desert. It's only, I think the two used the sky as the desert that it was happening here. I don't even understand. But like I said, you have to keep trying until you get the best that you want. So let's impute the third prompt we have here. You can see I'm playing with 3 different prompts that will generate us 3 different things, so you get to understand what this particular tool currently is best with generating. Now, for this particular prompt, we said a robot is walking on the moon while it's snowing. You can see, right, the image of a panda, perfect. You can see this one is very, very perfect. But I don't understand. There's something happening with the sunglass, right? But it's okay though. All right, so let's generate the third image, then we can move to doing other stuff with it too, right? So if you want to play with this tool, the description is down below. The link is down below on this particular video. You will see the link, and you can click through and then register and start using this particular tool. Also, another thing you need to know is that if you should click through the link and use the tool, maybe subscribe later in the future, you'll be helping us here on this channel, because it's our affiliate link that is down below. So thank you in advance. All right, so this is the third image. We are currently generating the third image, but as it's being generated, let's just play around with this particular one. Now, remember what I said from the beginning. This particular tool only generates a video of 3 seconds, right? Now, how do you extend? You want to extend, right? You see we have some options down below here. Here it says retry. Maybe you don't like the image that have been generated, like this particular one. Now we can click retry. It will retry generating the image again as close to the prompt that we have. But for this, we are satisfied with it. So let's say we want to add more seconds to this particular, want to increase the length of the video. All right. Third image have been generated. You can see, right, this is kind of perfect. Yeah, it actually looks like the moon. I know, right, because I've been there in my dreams. It actually looks like the moon. And then in our prompt we said a robot is walking on the moon, though the robot is not yet walking, right? But I think it's because it's just 3 seconds. If we should extend it, the dude should walk. And then we said it should be snowing, and you can see there's something falling. Looks like snow, but we don't know, and I don't know what is flying behind, but it actually brought the scene to life. All right, so here now let's try to extend this. Add 4 seconds. This is where you extend. So once you click this, it will impute everything where you put your prompt and the rest. So here now you have to add your instruction. You have to add the instruction. So what do you want? What do you want to add to this particular scene that have been generated? Let's say we want the panda to smile while zooming in. So panda should smile while zooming to his face. All right, let's try this. Right, I don't know what I'm writing here, but let's just try this. Let's see what we get. So now it will generate it on a new tab. So now, all right, let's play with this. What do we do here now? Should we extend this? All right, so I don't waste your time. Let's not extend. Let's just play around with this, with the one of the panda. So the one of the Nigerian girl, let's check it out to see what we have now. Now it's looking a little bit real, like a real human, right? This is the one we had before. Now this is what we have now. A little bit real, right? In as much as it's still not giving us the vibe of a Nigerian. We have beautiful ladies here in Nigeria, so this is not yet giving us the vibe of a Nigerian lady, but it's still okay. It's okay. So now I'm sure you understand, right, how to use this tool. First, you put your prompt, and then you click this magic tool for it to do its magic, right? And then once you're done with that, you can extend the scene or do whatsoever thing you want to do, right? Like this one we are doing now, we are extending this scene. And another thing you need to know is that after you're done with extending the scene and you want to download the image, you have to upscale the image. You can see it here, right? This 3 dot line, which is the option icon, you have to click that. You see upscale. Upscale is to increase the quality. Maybe you want to use it as a content or something, right? You have to upscale it. So we'll do that with this panda stuff, right? Once it's done generating, we'll upscale it. Then after upscaling, I'll show you how to add an audio, right? So your panda can talk.